is Ryan with Newable Building Sources again. One of the other common questions we always have is how are we going to connect the floor system to the ICF? So in this particular model here, you can see that we have a treated plate here, which actually has the concrete up to this height. That's where the TGIs are going to sit and go on out. They're going to cantilever over top of this wall 2 feet. For the rest of it, we have these SIMPSON ICF brackets that are set. Our blue line right here is the elevation of the bottom of the ledger board. So we want to set these brackets 1 inch higher. Here in the hours to come, we're going to start installing these, and I can take a little video of what that looks like when we're done. But basically we're using 14-inch TGIs. So we're going to take a 14-inch LVL that's going to be level to that line. There's going to be a little Jake metal piece that actually has self-tapping screws that connects into those brackets. So what we've done is you can see a faint line all the way around the top of the wall, top of the beam. That represents the bottom of the floor trusses. So wherever we see those lines, we'll actually connect the ledger only on the bearing side. The parallel sides, we will not connect anything to. We'll actually leave the first truss 3/4 of an inch off of the ICF wall so the drywall can run up through when we get our fire separation. So that is step 1 of ICF Connect system. Well, again, I'm here with my brother Eric, and we're setting the ICF Connect system. We've got, as we talked, we've got the 2 brackets that are wet set in the concrete, and he's actually installing the LVL ledger right there. So once you get one screw in and you get it tacked, it's much easier just to go ahead and set all the screws in there like a nail. And then his impact wrench will run those screws through the wood into that metal plate. So you can see right there. Watch him get the hole. Alright, this is Ryan again. This is the second part of this. After the ledger is set, you'll see that that's a 14-inch LVL. We're going to use the top mount floor joist bracket. So once we get the layout in, these will hook on those ledgers and the whole floor system will essentially hang off of these LVLs. The interesting thing to know about these ICF Connects, they come in 2 different sizes. There's the 1 3/4 inside edge for an LVL. You can also get an 1.5 inch for a 2x12 ledger. So it's very, very important to know what you're using for a ledger so we can make sure we send out the right brackets. So that is pretty much the process. We're going to do that on this little wall here. We've got the wall over there with the 4 plates, and then there'll be one over there on the far end over there. There'll be 2, and then we're ready